Preventing and managing travelers' diarrhea. Imagine planning the perfect beach trip with your girlfriends, sunshine, cocktails, street food. Now imagine spending half that trip stuck in a hotel bathroom. That's exactly what Ava avoided. Today, we're diving into how to prevent and manage travelers' diarrhea. One of the most common and most avoidable ways a trip can get totally wrecked. And yes, Ava's got a smart trick up her sleeve. Chapter 1. Meet Ava and what is Travelan. Ava's a nursing student. She planned her dream summer getaway to South Asia beaches, sunsets, local markets, exotic snacks, the full experience. But Ava did one thing her friends didn't. She packed Travelan, a natural supplement made from hyperimmune bovine colostrum, or HBC. Now don't let the name scare you. It's drug-free, gentle, and clinically proven to help prevent travelers' diarrhea caused by common bacteria like E. coli. Here's how it works. These colostrum antibodies bind to the bad bugs in your gut before they can cause trouble. Ava took 1 to 2 caplets before each meal. Smart move. Because prevention starts before the first bite. Chapter 2. How you can prevent travelers' diarrhea. Ava didn't just rely on a supplement, she followed 3 golden rules. And if you're traveling soon, so should you. 1. Drink wisely. Always choose bottled, sealed water. Skip tap water, ice cubes, and drinks from sketchy containers. Even for brushing your teeth, use bottled or boiled water too. Eat smart. Only eat food that's hot and freshly cooked. Avoid raw salads, buffet items, and anything that's been sitting out. Peel your own fruits and make sure your hands are clean-free. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands with soap and clean water. Carry hand sanitizer for moments when water isn't available. Ava's motto: boil it, cook it, peel it, or forget it. It sounds simple, but it's your first line of defense. Chapter 3. Managing travelers' diarrhea. Ava to the rescue. By day 3, the trouble started. Nausea, diarrhea, fatigue. Ava's friends were down for the count, but guess who wasn't? Ava. And because she's a future nurse, she stepped up. Here's how she managed it, just like a pro one. Hydration first. She mixed oral rehydration solution, or ORS, on the spot. 1 liter clean water plus 6 teaspoons sugar plus 1/2 teaspoon salt. They sipped it slowly to replace lost fluids and electrolytes too. Symptom relief with bismuth subsalicylate. Ava recommended bismuth subsalicylate, commonly used to ease diarrhea and stomach upset. How it works: reduces inflammation in the gut lining, decreases fluid and electrolyte flow into the intestines, making stools less watery. Has mild antimicrobial action that may kill certain bacteria and viruses. Standard adult dose, 524 milligrams. 2 tablets every 30 to 60 minutes as needed. Do not exceed 8 doses in 24 hours. Only use until symptoms resolve, never longer than 2 days. Avoid use if you're allergic to aspirin. Pregnant or breastfeeding under 12 years old. Chapter 4. When to see a doctor. Here's when it's time to stop managing it solo and call for help. High fever, blood and stool, persistent vomiting, signs of dehydration like dry mouth, confusion, or no urination, and if diarrhea doesn't improve within 48 hours, especially in kids or older adults, seek medical care. Travel is fun, but your health always comes first. Chapter 5. Ava's secret to safe travels. Let's be real, travelers' diarrhea is no joke. But it's also one of the most preventable travel problems out there. Just like Ava, you can stay safe with a few smart habits. Travelan before meals, safe food and water, quick action with ORS, and bismuth if symptoms strike. So where are you headed next? Comment below with your dream destination. Like this video if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, doctor-approved health tips from the road to the clinic and everywhere in between. Because staying healthy should never take a vacation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.